Hi everyone, I am coming at you today to review a lamp from a company called Beatunes. They are on Amazon.com. I will have the link in the description box below so you can go there and check it out. They have this lamp available and they also have some other lamps. This lamp here is $16.99. It's efficient, UV LED. The lifespan is 50,000 hours, which is a lot. And then here it says it has a timer that is a 30, a 60, and a 90-second timer. So let's open it up because I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Little files. A little thank you gift. Of course, I didn't purchase this. This was sent to me for review. Here's the USB port, and then this is what you would plug into the lamp. Wow, look at that little lamp. The back is where you put the cord, 4 grooves in here so that you can place the fingers in there just like that. And there is 4 lights inside. Very nice. About 4.5 by 3.5, and I'm counting this little lip that's hanging out here. And this cord here, the length of that cord I would say is about 4 feet. This little lamp here has the option of using it with a USB port and also in a wall socket. Let's turn it on. There's your 30-second, 60, 90. There's the lights under there. How awesome and cute is this little lamp for $16.99? Hey, let's see if it will cure some Polygel. Yes, let's try it. I'm going to be using gelish Polygel in light pink. We'll see how powerful it is. Let's try 30 seconds and then we'll work our way up to like 60. All right, that's 30 seconds. Let's check it and see if it's cured. It sounds cured. It really does. But I think I'm going to cure it another 30 seconds just to be on the safe side. It seems to be cured, but all right. That is cured. Well, that cured that Polygel in like 1 minute. Hey, let's try some shellac, C&D shellac. Everybody always wants to know if these lamps can cure shellac. This is in black pool, and of course, you know, black is a very hard polish to cure. Any dark colored gel polish can be a little bit more difficult to cure. So let's try it. All right, let's cure it. Let's try it at 30 seconds. All right. There's a little bit of polish on there. So let's cure it for another 30 seconds. Yep. Seems to be cured. Of course, there's a sticky layer, but there's no color coming off now. I went ahead and went to the store on Amazon, added the light to my cart, and went through the checkout process. And I saw in my cart that they were charging $5.48 for shipping. So that is a total of $22.47 for this lamp. This is an excellent little lamp. It cured Polygel. It cured a regular UV builder gel. It also cured black shellac. And yeah, I mean, The proof is there, you saw it. It's great for a starter lamp, for doing nails at home. A cute, amazing lamp. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you are interested, please go to the link in the description box below. I would just like to say thank you so much, Beatunes, for allowing me to review this lamp for you. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!